I'm going to show you how to find the Downloads folder on your iPhone. There's obviously many ways to download files, but let's say I'm using Safari, browsing the internet, and I download something through my browser. With these types of downloads, I could tap that little download button in my address bar and show my downloads from here. And in the Downloads view, I can then tap the magnifying glass, and it'll take me to the actual Downloads folder on my phone, which is within the Files app. If you didn't just download something through your browser, you'd start here and look for the Files app. The app looks like a little folder icon, and you can either find it on your home screen, or you can swipe down from the middle of your screen to activate the search, and then simply type Files in the search field. When you get to the Files app, there's 3 tabs on the bottom: Recents, Shared, and Browse. If yours opens on the Recents tab like this, use the tabs on the bottom to go to the Browse view first. In the Browse view, you'll see your cloud storage, local storage, and usually you'll see the Downloads folder on the very top under Favorites. So, there you have it. That's your Downloads folder. It's technically within the cloud storage or local storage, so if I go back, for example, and navigate to my iCloud drive, you'll see the Downloads folder is located here. But I can access it through the shortcut on the front page under my Favorites. And I believe iOS adds it to your favorites automatically, so there's no need to do it yourself. So, there's your Downloads folder. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks all, until next time.